In this video, we'll be showing you how to pull start your lawnmower. The first step is to check your gasoline levels. Look for the gas cap and go ahead and untwist it. Taking a look inside, we can see that our tank is full and we are ready to get going. Next, you'll want to locate the primer. The primer will basically push gasoline into the carburetor, allowing the engine to start faster. As we see here, we're going to be pushing the primer 3 times, holding it for 1 second each time we press. It may be different on your mower, so double check the manual or it'll have a plaque on the side. It's important not to over-prime the carburetor as this could flood the engine. Make sure you only push the primer at the recommended amount of times for your given mower. With the engine primed, we're now ready to go. Grab the bail arm and squeeze it down. The bail arm is what allows the engine to run. If you were to release it, it would cut off the engine. And right here is going to be our handle that we're going to be pulling to kickstart the engine. With the bail arm held down, grab the pull cord and give it a firm pull. This should start the engine. If it doesn't, feel free to give it a few more pulls in order to get your motor going. Thanks for watching.